yo. No. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Eh? So see and kind of crown. Asemna Atu Stone Boy after BhimfestUK no. Asia. So you'll be a watna brochure aye events da. You not wish just say bad kitty Emma unya sabi or try so be event ewa brochure. Na ya na eto da bia ya so obi a onto kwan da. Onto ne bedin kwa wa brochure da no te Ghana. No anya platform bi so traditional media bi no okeka nsem bi. Onto bedin wa brochure da. And some na eto event organizers ni Stoneboy ni Shatta wale mu ni sakode mu ni omo force so be event so brochure no. En kwatena platform bi aso nko kabida. En kabida. Yebusa bibi efa asem na esi about Stoneboy Shatta wale ya Lord dia Dennis sakode any Ghana musicians no mo try Ghana entertainers no mo ye bibi wa brochure no se unye unto obadin wa brochure da en kabi na wo Ghana omubusa ho asema ka che omu se unim abroche events ehunim die bia unim nyansa bia anu ti upo ma che o mpese obeka bi Bible says ye bu enyansafo na sabi wagimi mpo na aka wonu tumo obi anim se unim nyansa time na Stoneboy ebo show no na omo ye United Showbiz at the same time and na omo mu share United Showbiz na can testify no more updates and obia church and adwene but edru Counsellor Lutterodt so no okasa mami hu say hey okasa mi kire obi e wo show ni so na sasem na okan obu be na yante ase Stoneboy show ni ba na wieye no asem na Counsellor Lutterodt e ka no eno na abamu no ewi asem pani force se onwo man wie ya mensra kotia
May I say, I think Stoneboy is a Ghanaian, and a Ghanaian has done something good on all standard. You can say, why are there? What's here? And I think some of the commentary in the Toribia, yeah, you be a one a boom fear, and I can't then. Say, who make this statement to say, when you use the right people for publicity, what's that? We are event now and turning out well. Mind you, everything you are supposed to put, I'm not aware, you put it in. Embrace. We show now and turning out so well now, you repeat it. There was nothing that was not put in that show. Everything was put in that show. So I believe, say Samini, Shatta, Omu 2 event, Ambaswa. We will still want to congratulate the organizers, and maybe based on that, Impono, it could be an informed way for Stoneboy's event coming up. So, Yensu in the creative space, we might all have our favorites. We might have somebody we cherish, somebody we like, and somebody we don't like. And it's your right to like somebody, not to like somebody. But in this course of lifting Ghana flag up, Shatta event ambassador, I mean, was involved. He was fully involved with it. The organizers were involved. They paid whatever is supposed to be paid, just like Samini there. And the ambassador, if you use right organizers and use right people who knows how to think well, I think it's a right commentary for our industry. It might be a fair comment to you, but for me, I think it is not a right commentary for us because, sister, so why you show that one? Now I high in na BBC na nkrofo amba unu bibia kodu sika wo enti ukase using white people nkrofo na mo organizing Shatta mu show yi they have done a show big da and that is why they were employed to do whatever it is so yeah nkase the oye Stoneboy dey any pe and why are there we baba kun didi so those statements will not encourage all it is our show Stoneboy what Ghana ni hwe background 1957 e waran mo it's Ghana. Enti Shatta dia bisu ko yi anka it's Ghana Something here. It's Ghana. I met Wendy Shea. She was doing Ghana. So Obi show flop here. It should not be an excitement for us, the industry. We should sit up and see how do we patch up for the show to come on. Because if you don't organize shows, you don't understand. But those of us who organize shows, I've done a show for people that Obiasi Ebeba, Mekoe meat pie, any free people. You do an uncle for 6 penalty. Then you run and for 6 now about what you the other DJ no about you know about one bush or like mad number the bar side or I mean, so that is how the game is. Organizing a show is not easy, and especially out of Ghana. Sister, when you show out of Ghana, I will say, and body Josa. So kudos to the team. Like Arnold said, we say congratulations to them. And for those ones that didn't happen, we pray that the next time it will happen. They have to let it happen. And as for the O2, like the guys, we've said this several times. I remember Sakodi call Kumasi, or Rapaholic, or Kumasi, the Rebecca Kumasi, the Roka said, it is possible for us to do, especially when we begin to do collaboration. What Rebecca interview, only say what may interview. What's this? Sana David Musalam started. Their first show, they were not alone. They brought a group, and once some bar Philly group, no, the next time they fly a bar saw, you know, those people are captured, they come together. So young back together, near BB or a young we are as we can play. Competition is sweet. Competition is sweet. It's good to compete. It's good. See, a compete, but in our competition, there should be healthy competitions. So we need to say congratulations to Stoneboy. We're creating conversation. Or China, we can decide to compare. But our choice of words should not hurt. We are also investing into it. Definitely investment. Human capital is the biggest investment as compared to Sikao. Human capital. What does it? Human capital. Easy. And to me, the salary mechanic and Grofo Kase is you right people. I don't think that conversation should go on. Or human name. That's it. Let me shout. My boarding.
Who is
Stoneboy. John 3:11. Yesu Christu say, "Enokore, mesemo say, me come for masem na manye ni a. Ebeye den na me come soro de a mo begye adi. Me ka asofo nsem na manye ni na mo bogu a. Me koka Stoneboy de ayeden." No comment.
And then you may honorable plus. Why you busy? Why you busy? I am busy. Honorable
Honorable. It
is some back one because I make an audio. Okay. Maybe I said the whole come as
oh, some go to Bible. Say, Krobia, what do you tongue? It's in our code Jamaica. Yanton, I feel tongue, I think I beboka. Cause we'll be a rasta. To Krobia, what do you tongue? But that's it.
On our way more covers.
Watch it. Yes, we know your friends are Tom and Jerry. We can't find. We said, I shall. We are going to miss what to bomb, Cassie.